In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an ID.me account quickly and easily. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open any web browser on your computer or mobile device. This can be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, or Firefox. And on the search bar, type in ID.me, which is going to be the official website, and click on the sign in button on the top right corner. This will forward you to a new page. Now, all I have to do is super simple. For you to be able to click the sign up button, you need to click the create a wallet. Now, enter your email address. Make sure you use a personal email address that you can always access. This is super important because ID.me will send verification codes and important updates to this email. After entering your email, create a password and check the boxes, and then click the create a wallet. And then check your inbox for a verification email from ID.me. Okay? And then when you see it, click the confirm your email, because once verified, you will be redirected back to the continue setting up your account. And since your email has been confirmed, congratulations. You can now close this and continue with logging in using your credentials. Now, after that, if you try to sign in using your credentials, ID.me will require you to have a multi-factor authentication or MFA. You can choose to receive a text message code or call you at your number, or select another available method and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. Now your ID.me account is successfully created, and you can now use it to fully verify your identity and access supported services securely. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.